This brief video demonstrates the process of adding a video from YouTube or a Google video to a CMUOnet blog posting. So to get started, find the video over on YouTube or Google Video that you'd like to add to your posting. So here I am at YouTube. You can search YouTube, or if someone happens to send you a link to a video that you watch and you want to add that to a blog, you just navigate to that page on YouTube. Once there, you'll notice next to the video on the right a couple of boxes. One is the URL box. This is basically the address for the video where you can watch this online, and you'll notice it's the exact same address as you find up in the address bar in the browser. So that's the first line that you want to be aware of. So if you found this video and you want to send a link to someone else to watch it, you can email them this URL. But the second box is the most important one, and this is the embed code. Now really what we're going to do is we are going to take a copy of this video, and this is the process of embedding. It basically means that we want to, in our blog posting, have the video show up and be able to be played without someone having to visit this page on YouTube. So in order to do that, we're going to embed a copy of the video. So we're going to take a copy of it. It's going to play from within our posting, but it's actually this same video that's here on YouTube. It's going to be sized down and it's going to play from within our posting. Now I know it's a little hard to grasp. It's a little complex, but it's really quite simple. So we've got this embed code, so you want to make sure that all of it is highlighted. So you want to make sure you get all of the code, and then you go up to the edit and you click copy. Now what's happened is you've copied that chunk of code, and that's really all we need at this point. So we can leave YouTube, and I'm going to head over to CMUOnet, and I'm going to log in. And if you click on your blog, I want to post a new entry. I'm going to enter a title for my new posting. Now when you scroll down right under the title, you're going to see a couple of buttons. One allows you to add a file to your posting. So if you wanted to have a link to a file, an attachment, possibly, your CMUOnet does, you do have some file space associated with it. So if you wanted to upload some files and then share them with others, you can do that. This other button that says Add External Video, this is the button that we're going to need to click on in order to add that embed code to our posting. We'll come back to that in just a moment. I'm going to scroll down, and in the body of my blog post, I'm going to add some text. So after you enter some text, then you want to just make sure to place your cursor wherever in the posting you want the video to reside. So if you want it at the top of the posting, then I would want to put my cursor at the top. If I wanted it in the middle, which is how in this particular instance I want the video to show up in the middle underneath some text, I just need to leave my cursor there. Now I simply click the Add External Video button, and this will open up a little box that gives you some instructions. It tells you if you want to embed videos from either Google Video or YouTube, you need to obtain the embed HTML and paste it in the box. And we already obtained it by selecting it at the home page of the video and then copying it. So I can simply click in this box and then go up and click Edit and Paste. Or you can use the shortcut that is provided. Now I have this chunk of code here, and now I'm all set. All I need to do is click Insert Video, and what's going to happen is CMUOnet is going to embed or place inside of your posting. It's going to streamline that code into some simple commands that the blog needs in order to display your video. So, and this is why you can't just take all of that code from YouTube and just paste it all in this box down here. we actually need to put it in this insert video box and click insert video, and then YouTube, that code will be simplified for your CMUOnet blog. So this is all I need at this point. Now I can go ahead and close the window, and if I want, I can continue to add text. And now I'm all set. I can scroll down. Keep in mind, keywords are important. If you've not been using keywords, you may want to consider, as you're making new contributions either to your personal or other blogs within CMUOnet, it's nice to add some keywords. It makes your posts searchable and easier to be found as people are looking for in the future for posts, maybe people that are interested in certain topics or discussions that have taken place around certain topics. If this happens to be a post that's a how-to post, that could be a keyword. I could add a keyword, CMUO, YouTube. You can put as many keywords as you want, just need to make sure to separate each one by a comma. And access restrictions is public by default. If I wanted this post to only be accessible to logged in users, or if I wanted this to be a private post that's only for me, I don't want anyone else to be able to have access to it, I could select private. So you really can use your personal CMUOnet blog as a journal. If there are certain posts that maybe you don't want to share with others, you have control over that. But by default, your posts are public so that others can view them, as well as public posts are the only ones that will show up in the RSS feed for your blog. By clicking post, now I have a confirmation that says my post has been added to my blog, and by scrolling down, I can preview this video. So there you have it. Those are the simple steps to adding a video from Google Video or YouTube to a CMUOnet blog. I look forward to seeing many videos in blog posts in the days ahead.